Hi everyone, I'm Emily from BLUESOFTS and today I will show you one of my company's product, A-Tools. So what is A-Tools? A-Tools is an add-in for Microsoft Excel developed by author vid2Why from BLUESOFTS. A-Tools provides a completely new solution for creating reports in Excel, dynamic reports, and sharing data over a local network or the internet with other users. The server manages the connection by restricting users, setting permissions for each user group, even more detailed than Google Sheets. The latest updated version of A-Tools also allows for the use of AI, synchronization between Excel and Google Sheets, Excel online compatibility, data entry with quick search support, and other powerful array processing functions. Users can experience these basic features with the free version, A-Tools Free, available on the official website, atoolspro.com. The full feature version, A-Tools Pro, is also available here. There are various PDF documents and video tutorials on how to use A-Tools on the website for users to reference and practice. Then you might wonder, why should I use A-Tools to create reports in Excel when I can already use Excel? I'm here to tell you why. For traditional report creation methods in Excel, users need to combine conditional and lookup functions like if, VLOOKUP, index, along with features such as filter to sort data. The number of functions and complexity of formulas depend on users' requirements. Each formula returns a result in a single cell, meaning that to create reports from large datasets, we need a massive number of formulas. For example, a report with 10 columns and 10,000 rows would require 10 times 10,000 equals 100,000 formulas to generate. This causes Excel files to run very slowly, consuming computer resources and user time. A-Tools was created to solve this problem. Currently, A-Tools is a unique solution for creating dynamic reports flexibly and quickly on large datasets. The add-in is designed to be easy for all Excel users, requiring no advanced Excel skills. A-Tools integrates international standard SQL knowledge into Excel, allowing users to apply it to various types of database according to their needs. Let's look at an example of a dynamic report created by the BSSQL function of the add-in A-Tools. This is the source data table named Data with 11 columns. This is an inventory card with predefined format and condition cells. As you can see here, the conditions are set on the sheet, and the report only requires one formula to return an array of results. When I change the item name, the result array automatically expands or contracts rows and updates accordingly. However, the data update operation does not affect the existing structure of the report. Unlike the method of nesting complex Excel functions with just 6 keywords, select, from, where, group by, having, order by, users can easily create any report with a single formula, the BSSQL function. This formula reads like natural human language. When conditions change, the report automatically updates instantly and adjusts rows, columns according to predefined settings. Because the function returns an array of values that satisfy the conditions, using only one formula ensures Excel runs very fast and doesn't consume much computer resources. A-Tools with its BSSQL function allows data retrieval from various database types like Excel, Access, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and other computers in the server. This enables users to pull data from other software into Excel for aggregation and analysis. Next up, I will demonstrate the AI function of A-Tools. When you click on the A-Tools menu, you will see the AI button. A window will pop up here. You can choose the data range, enter the AI prompt, and click on this Run button. Wait for a little and AI will give you the result. Very quick and easy, right? Lastly, I want to show you a hierarchical report created with ATools. I have a purchase report by month and customer here. Right now on the screen, you can only see the total quantity and cumulative of each month. But if I double-click on August, you will see every customer that purchased from us in August. And if I want to see more of a specific customer, for example KH001, I just double-click on the customer code, and I will be able to see each and every transactions of this customer in August. That's how powerful ATools can be in terms of creating dynamic reports. And of course, I can also change the date and time to change the report. If I can do it, you can do it too with add-in ATools. See you in the next video. Bye!